Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights. Most important general knowledge questions for anti-test preparation. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Masroor Education Insights. So let's start the video. Question number 1. Who was the first American woman in space? Sally Ride is the right answer. Next is the book A Farewell to Arms was written by, and the right answer is Ernest Hemingway. Next question is Juba is the capital of which country? And the right answer is South Sudan. Next is Fire Temple is the place of worship of which of the following religion? The right answer is Zoroastrianism. Next is when did the first census held in the subcontinent? The right answer is 1881. Next is in which year Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani died? The right answer is 1897. Next question is Baghlihar Dam is constructed by India on over dash. The right answer is River Chenab. Next is the Atacama Desert is located in, and the right answer is South America. Next is the permanent secretariat SARS is established at Kathmandu is the right answer. Next question is FIR stands for. The answer is First Information Report. Next question is the first Afghan war took place in which year? The right answer is 1839. Next is when was FATA founded? And the answer is 1989. Next question is when first satellite Badr was launched into space? Answer is 16 July 1990. Next is who is the current chief of the Army Staff of India? Answer is General Apandra Avedi. Next question is river Laravati flows in. Myanmar is the right answer. Next question is the currency of South Africa is. The right answer is Rand. Next question is which of the following is a Baltic state? The answer is Estonia. Next question is what is the name of the pact joined by Pakistan and the United Kingdom in 1954? SEATO is the right answer. Next question is Gilgit-Baltistan is located in which side of Pakistan? Answer is north side of Pakistan. Last question is the Arab-Israel 6-day war took place in which year? And the right answer is 1967. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe.